So I decided to put together an awesome productivity office computer desk for editing. And one of the major components and features is this VIVO Rustic Vintage Brown 60 by 24 inch solid one-piece tabletop. Now this is just the tabletop that I affixed to a standing desk mechanism, and it came out better cost-wise, and I got the tabletop look that I want, which is the beautiful rustic brown. You can't beat this nice grain look and the dark texture. It's just awesome. So it comes with pre-drilled holes, but I drilled my own because I used a mechanism that probably didn't match what it was intended for, but it worked just fine. So this is great for my monitor stands, for a dual monitor setup, for laptops, for all my essentials, what I need to get done for work at my computer table. This is made from solid particle board, which makes it very sturdy and heavy. It comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty, and I think it's going to last for many years. This was unique in the fact that it was 59 inch by 23.6 inch, just the right size that I wanted for my setup. And as I said, it's a solid piece, so it comes in at 37.5 pounds. So this is not wobbly, it's not flexing, it's not going anywhere. It's solid. It came nicely packed and delivered, and all I had to do was open it up, attach it to the frame of the standing desk, and I was ready to go. So I highly recommend that you consider one of these desktops in any color you like, and be assured that it will be a solid purchase.